What if the Pinery Park and its endless sandy beaches and natural beauty could be your backyard? Here's a piece of real estate that can make that happen. Just minutes from everything you need in Grand Bend, and including a rock-solid, custom-built brick bungalow with a separate heated shop building. Escape the grind and have your worries swept away by natural beauty and wildlife in this veritable ecological wonderland. Nestled into nearly 10 acres of breathtaking oak savanna canopies, this extremely well-built home with an ICF foundation and premium finishes throughout provides 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, among many other vast principal rooms across its 3,600 square feet of finished living space. The house has seen lots of renos and upgrades over the past 3 to 7 years, and the layout provides enough room for everything a growing family would need. A chef's kitchen with granite counters, main floor laundry, formal dining room, a library, a generous main floor master suite with a walk-in closet and a huge 5-piece ensuite bathroom, 3 gas fireplaces plus a wood stove in the workshop, loads of storage, a proper wet bar. There's even a lower-level kitchenette that provides legit potential for an in-law suite or duplex arrangement with the full walkout basement. And the enormous principal rooms lead to patios and decks on both levels surrounded by nature. This one-of-a-kind retreat allows you to experience that away-from-it-all feeling while still being just minutes to everything you need in Grand Bend, as if the amenities right at home wouldn't keep you occupied. Just imagine grabbing a cozy drink in the hot tub and then heading out to the heated workshop to perfect your latest project, especially with that endless parking for all the toys, RVs, boats, trailers, you name it. Hit the bluff for a quick sunset, toboggan back to the house down your own private hill, or, right at the back of your property, take a hike or bike to the beach via Pinery trails with the park's free pedestrian access. As it turns out, you don't have to be hours and hours away from city-like amenities to get into a location that can truly provide peace and serenity and all the space you'll ever need. You can live this dream right here in Grand Bend. Just a short bike ride up the Rotary path to your local grocery store. Properties like this don't come along very often, and I can assure you that this one will not last long in the current market. Call me today for a private tour before it's too late. I'm Mike Sloan, and I'll see you at the beach.